Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today, my meal, try to make pasta linguine. So I was doing pasta shop in Tokyo about 6 years. I was a pasta shop owner. That's why my specialty is two kind of like king of pasta. One of vongole bianco and another one is pescatore rosso, my favorite. Those two items, I think, king of pasta, my favorite. So today I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's very easy to make. You can make in your home. I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, let's start cooking. Garlic chop. Pasta linguine takes about a little bit long time because this type of pasta linguine is a little bit fat one. Maybe 7 minutes. Anchovy, olive oil, shortneckclam, frozen. I'm always cooking my wine, shrimp, small mussel noodles. Tomato. Now it's a squid. This one is its English name is spear squid. We are Japanese people call yari ika. Spear squid. Shortneckclam and mussel. Shrimp and spear squid. Press this a little bit. So good. Pick up empty shell. Okay, sauce is done. Little bit olive oil. the winter times, olive oil is kind like a frozen. Taste a little bit. Okay. Secret season. Naampur a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, done. So this is a very important heating up serving plate. The pasta boiled just like this. Heating up serving plate. Now in Japan it's so cold. Outside is so big snow. I think outside is minus 2 or 3 degrees right now. So serving plate is so cold. Have to need heating up. Cheers. This is a sake. The daiginjo? You know the daiginjo? Itadakimasu. My pescatora. My favorite. Sweet. Good. Shortneckclam. Wow. So good. I'm just trying to serve with linguine type of a pasta. So good. Oh, so tasty. Feel like heaven. Yummy, yummy. Wow, so good. This is my gorgeous lunch pasta. Well, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good year. Spaghetti, pescatore, rosso. Bye.